Hi, my name's Michelle. I've lived here with my family for approximately 19 years. I have my husband, 2 adult children now and 2 fur babies. When we first moved in 19 years ago, it was one of the plans was to actually renovate, but unfortunately life got in the way. So our old kitchen, it was functional. We made it work, but it was small. It was a bit pokey and didn't really suit what we were looking for. A lot of the research that I have done has been over the internet, seeing ads on TV. I knew the style that I wanted, and seeing inspirations that actually come from kitchen places is what I was kind of focused on, and Kitchen Connection was the main one. Having the inspiration that you could actually look at the showroom, that helped a lot, just to see things on a bigger scale. So I know things aren't easy to picture when they're quite small or just a door that you can see. Having the inspiration kitchens at the showroom is what helped. As soon as I walked into the showroom at Jindalee, I found the staff there very warm, very welcoming. I think the confidence came with the communication. So what they said was going to happen, happened. Knowing the trade schedule, knowing who to communicate with, and knowing there was someone there that could assist through the whole process, that's what gave me the confidence with Kitchen Connection. I didn't really have a brief, but I knew that I wanted the island bench. I knew that I wanted soft clothes. I knew the style. I wanted a bit of farmhouse / modern to make it more functional with today's living. Providing that and then actually working through our design with our designer is what helped bring my inspiration to life. When our designer was here and we were able to put a couple of things down on paper, but then knowing that she had that program there to show me what the kitchen would look in real life, the 3D images, bringing the colours together, being able to change design choices, whether it was the doors or the handles, that's what helped. To be completely honest, it was all smooth going. From the time that I was in the Jindalee showroom right through until construction. Having that trade schedule and being able to give our employers pre-notice of when we may or may not need time off, and to be able to be here on those days to talk to the trades, that was really great. That was one of the best aspects of the whole process of working with Kitchen Connection. One of the last changes we made was actually extending our bench top. Initially it was just a standard size, but being a large family, we wanted something more functional. I like being able to stand in the kitchen and just oversee my living area. When we have friends and family over, that's where they are. I can still do what I need to do in the kitchen. We've got the big bench to put everything out. Everyone can come up and help themselves. We're not moving things around or bringing in extra tables. It's actually provided me with the space that I need, and I can also display everything that I'm cooking. An extra addition that we had when we were doing the renovations was I wanted a little coffee bar. So I don't drink tea or coffee, and I very rarely drink alcohol, but that was something, a little luxury of my husband's. It's made him really happy. So it wasn't just me that benefited, it was him as well. We moved the fridge away from the kitchen itself and tucked it into the laundry. So it's made it a bit of a butler / laundry. I still have all the bench space that I need with the washer and dryer underneath, and plenty of cupboard space above. So it gives it that functionality of not only entertaining if I need extra space, but it also is an extension of my kitchen. With the inspiration of my kitchen, I did want that farmhouse look. So throughout my house, I do have decorative doors, decorative cupboards, things like that. So I wanted to include that in it, which is why I got the cupboard doors and the big drawers with that style. When we decided to extend the island bench, I saw an opportunity then to actually get decorative paneling put on the side of the island bench. So I didn't have that plain look, smooth line on the island bench. I actually have the nice thick Caesar stone bench top and the decorative panels that make it that standout. If you're not exactly sure how to express what it is you want, Kitchen Connection, both the people in the showroom at Jindalee and also the designer, were able to work with me, and the patience was incredible, and they brought what I wanted to life. So doing a renovation does seem daunting. It does seem scary, especially when you have a family, to be without a kitchen for a period of time, be without a laundry. But like all things that we do in life, we make it work. But also remembering that it's only a short period of time for the maximum benefit. I can highly recommend Kitchen Connection. They were able to bring my inspiration to life. If something popped up during the process, it was dealt with straight away. All I had to do was ask the questions, and I was given honest answers. And yes, there were hiccups. Yes, there were some problems, but nothing that wasn't fixed.